How to create a poll in Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can create a poll on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to basically create a poll on Instagram, it is actually very simple, and currently Instagram only allows this feature on your stories, which means you cannot do it on a group chat or a personal chat as well, or even in your post. You will only be able to do it on the Instagram stories. And to do this, all you have to do is simply open the Instagram app here. Once you open the Instagram app, just tap the your story button. Once you tap the your story button, just select an image here, and now let's say I want to add a poll to this story. In order to make this possible, what do I do? Well, in order to do this, all I have to do is tap the sticker icon from the top right. Just select this option called polls. Once I select the poll option, I just need to basically ask a question, and now I want to simply enter the answers for it. So whether it's a yes or whether it's a no, or I can also simply choose to actually add another option here. Once I've done that, I can add more options over here, and as I've done that, I can just tap the done option. People will be able to vote on this poll and then also choose a correct or see the percentage of the votes as well. This way you'll be able to basically create a poll on Instagram stories. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.